Thank you so much. You take care. So I'm here at this hotel. It's located close to the Terminal 3 where I just arrived. And at first impression, before I come to this hotel, I was wondering how it looks like because I stayed in a hotel before that never known, and then I got disappointed. But this one is incredible. You can hear the plane. Hopefully when I close everything, it will be good and I can sleep. But again, you know how much I paid before I tell you the cost? The hotel has a restaurant down here, and the lady was telling me that they have Filipino food, and I saw through the doors, I saw bananas and mango. Those one are gonna attract me there. And also offer something very important. It's the van. So the location of the hotel itself, I like that red projecting it from their name there. that's the projection, the red on my head. No hair. It's that name there. So the hotel itself, where it's located, it's just amazing. The location, very strategic for travelers because it's just close. It's close to the airport, and you know what? They provide a free shuttle. Again, free shuttle. That's very important things when you're a good traveler like me. I'm saying a good traveler because I travel a lot in different places, rushing with time. But they have something here that saves your money too, because yesterday I paid 220 peso. That's a little bit over $4.50. So that's what I paid. But they have a shadow there, and they have, I think, another one here, there. So it's good. From here to the airport, shadow for free. And tomorrow I'm picking up 5:30 to go to the airport. So I'm gonna stay in this hotel here, and I will stay again one night before I leave the Philippines. And you know what? The breakfast room open at 5 a.m. because most of the breakfast room they open by 6. But let me show you around how this hotel is, and you can see if you like the TV is there. I don't watch TV in the hotel. And they have this beautiful tray with the beautiful flowers there, plant there, and you can make your own tea. They have this canister, you can make your own tea, which I'm gonna do because I love tea. I love tea much, and I travel with my own green tea. Sometimes I travel with my ginger if people happen to pack that. And also they have this is for sale. You eat, you pay, so you need to know that. But they have a free stuff here. It's Lipton yellow label, you can get, and they have some drinks here, and these drinks here, you drink, you pay. So the bed is so beautiful, and I think it's firm enough. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep well already. There, toilet, and you have the sink. This is something that I like the most. I stayed in many hotels. Sometimes it can be complicated. This one has a door, which is so great, because when you're opening your water or shower, you're having shower, you don't need the shower coming down here. Even though you put a towel, but at the spill here, you can even fall. I stay in some hotel that is so-called a good hotel, but they have that as something that is not good. So this one here not only have the door, but also have these things here that prevent water from coming in. So how much I pay this hotel? Let me go to the breakfast first, not the breakfast, to the restaurant first, and I'm gonna tell you the price. You're gonna be surprised. So look at what I just got. This is a mango banana, But the most interesting thing is this. Look at this. And they call it bulal, or bulal. I was asking someone if she knows that, and he told me that he knows that. So what you have here is a beef. Look. And I think this beef is very soft. And also you have rice. So in the Philippines, if you want, you can say rice. You can call it life. They say rice is life. It's their culture. So I'm gonna enjoy this one here. I think it's gonna be really, really super delicious. And then you know what? They just cook it there. You can see some people through there. That's where they're cooking it. So just gonna enjoy it, especially this beef here. I think it's soft. Oh my goodness, so tasty, soft. I'm gonna try with the rice is life too. This, but the beef is so tasty. A corn in it. This, I think it's hot. I think this is what you should be trying in the Philippines. I tried kare too, but I think this one is going on my list of the best food too. And they have like a cabbage. I just put it there and get a little bit of more meat. I just put it there and put it there. Let's try this. Just incredible. I'm gonna get this corn first and get it out of my way. And this corn that most of the Filipinos they call maize, I think. It's not like a watery. This is the champion. This is the champion in its start with the beef. Just boiled and naturally that delicious. All of it came to 600 their money. So probably around $12. Yeah, around $12. And you're eating like a VIP. So like this dish here, it's very big. This bowl itself around $6. And this is what bump up the price. This. They also have a small boutique in the hotel that have some gifts you can buy. These are made from the Philippines. These beautiful women. They have a t-shirt. This I'm gonna overnight it again here one night before I leave. So I think I will get some gifting. Look, they have it from Cantaduanes. I was there 2 times in Virac. In the Happy Island. Since I was running out of the time, I was asking them if I can take the breakfast with me. They accepted. So they're packing it, and I just saw the driver here for the shuttle. And I think I'm gonna be the only one. But they gave me tea. It's black tea. I can't say without noticing about the staff. They're very, very kind young people. I think they work very hard because there is a girl that I saw yesterday. She's here. There you come. There. My takeout. Before I leave, Now that's just a little beef. Yeah. That's the steamed beef there. Oh yeah, the soft tender. And the rice is light. Okay. So the driver is telling me to finish my breakfast first. Here is the place to stay. So that's what they brought to me, that one there. So it came out to change. I didn't use the van to bring me here. They use this. They have also a small car. Looks like a Grab. Beautiful car, and there was only one passenger. So that hotel is really good. And when you're sleeping, you can still hear a little bit of planes flying, plane sound, but it's not that much at the point that will disrupt your sleep. No. So perfect. That's a good hotel to stay. And the price, I think, was down because I booked through online Agoda, but I check in there inside there if you book with them directly. So that's a question. It might be a little bit high, but the service, it's just amazing with the breakfast they give you to take it with you if you're rushing. So I need to go. That's it for that hotel.